Make a great choice today with the 2021 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.